Bubblegum and Maleficent, Neytiri from Avatar, and Windranger from Dota? Find out how to turn your doll into your favorite movie or video game character. Redhead and Jessica are all grown up now. An artist and a businesswoman meet at a professional lunch, but a doll spy watches them the whole time. All of a sudden, the girl's favorite childhood character, Princess Bubblegum, appears in front of them. Draw a cutout of a long dress on the back side of pink satin fabric. Cut out and sew it. Make a cut on the back. Put the dress onto a doll. Make one more cut and hot glue Velcro. Stitch the edges of the sleeves and gather them. Cut a collar and a belt from purple felt. Hot glue the pieces. Wash the doll's hair and cut bangs. Apply styling mousse. Brush the hair. Put on a rubber band and fasten the bangs. Blow dry it and hairspray it. Trim the bangs. Color the hair with a pink marker. Wipe the excess paint off the doll's hands using nail polish remover. Paint the eyes pink. Add blush. Make a crown from a yellow foam rubber sheet. Decorate it with a rhinestone and hot glue it. Cut extra details off shoes and cover them with pink acrylic paint. Put the crown on so that it keeps the bangs in place. Wow! We can't believe she's here! Princess Bubblegum is so cute and pink, just like in the cartoon. Meeting a close friend is always nice, but adventure time is in our childhood. And now we should go on with our adult lives. A blue creature falls on Jessica all of a sudden. Oh! Get this alien away from me! But once the girls take a closer look, they see that it's not an alien, it's a kind and brave citizen of Pandora from the movie Avatar. Cut off the doll's hair. Take out the remains with tweezers. Take the head off. Coat the body and the head with acrylic primer. Shape the iconic nose with hot glue. Paint it white. Color the body with blue acrylic paint. Apply signature details with a brush. Color the face. Paint big green eyes. Use light paint to make little dots on the face. Add pink lips. Stick dark threads into the head with a needle. Create a puffy hairdo. Add threads with different beads. Make elongated ears with hot glue. Coat them with nail polish. Wrap a piece of wire in light clay. Paint it blue and color the tail. Run twine through the wire loop on the end of the tail. Hot glue a strap of burlap and tie the twine around the waist. Attach the tail. Attach beads to the twine. Put on a necklace made from twine and beads. Coat a wooden skewer with a layer of hot glue. Shape a spear. Paint it brown. Tie twine with beads to it. Put the spear into Neytiri's palm. The daughter of the Na'vi tribe leader has flown to us straight from Pandora and landed on Jessica. We can tell it's her right away by her long tail and blue skin. Don't forget your spear, Neytiri! Meeting you is such an honor for us. Let's put Neytiri near Princess Bubblegum. The dolls can gossip about their planets. At last, the girls can chat in peace. But something magical is going on here again. And a warrior with a bow threatens Redhead. Hold on, it's Windranger from Dota. Cut pants out of green felt following a template. Sew them. Cut a top out of yellow nylon fabric. Sew Velcro to it. Cut a vest out of green faux leather following a template. Fold up lapels and hot glue. Cut cuffs and leg guards out of a green foam rubber sheet. Make triangular cuts and bend them. Add a foam rubber sheet cape. Put jump rings onto a strip of leather and superglue them. Attach the skirt armor to the belt. Make pauldrons out of black leather and a yellow foam rubber sheet. Add details with brown acrylic paint. Make a leather arrow holder the same way. Superglue the pauldrons to the costume. Attach the arrow holder onto the back. Fasten the belt. Add details on the armor. Make arrows from toothpicks and felt leaves. Color them with acrylic paint. Make them look like feathers. Stick the arrows into the holder. Decorate the vest with a foam rubber sheet leaf. Wash the doll's hair with conditioner. Brush and color it with an orange highlighter. Apply hairstyling mousse onto the strands. Make curls. Blow dry. Add hairspray to keep it in place. Make the face lighter with acrylic paint. Define the cheekbones with a darker shade. Change the makeup and eye color. Define the lips. Bend a piece of wire shaping an eyebrow. Wrap it in light clay and coat it with acrylic paints. Apply a layer of clear nail polish. Superglue twine as a bowstring. Windranger Lyrelli is as fast as wind. Her cape flutters in the breeze. This redhead warrior has little arrows and beautiful emerald armor. An unknown evil genius delivers a special guest. It's Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale. Cover a doll's face with plastic wrap. Dissolve henna in hot water according to the instructions. Color the doll's hair. Wash the henna off. Make curls and fasten them with bobby pins. Draw a dress cutout on black jersey fabric. Cut it out and sew it. Hot glue red ribbon to the bottom of the dress. Put it onto a doll. Tie a red ribbon to be a belt. Paint doll sneakers black. Hot glue faux leather to them as bootlegs. And Velcro. Cut a red cape with an angled cut for a hood out of red fabric. Sew the cut. Bend 2 ball head pieces of wire. Cut off the excess and hot glue them to the cape as fasteners. Paint brown eyes and bright lips. Smooth out the curls. Put on the cape. Cheryl is usually proud and confident, but right now, she's nervous. What's going on? The doll tells the girls that evil genius Rick Sanchez travels between universes, steals dolls, and brings them here to Earth. Here he is, but Rick runs away and Cheryl pursues him. Oh my goodness! It looks like the dolls are having a serious battle. We can hear their screams in the air. That's Mercy from Overwatch and the witch Maleficent fighting. Trace doll's leggings on a piece of faux leather. Cut and sew them. Cut pieces of armor with wings from white, black, and yellow foam rubber sheets. Fasten them on the doll with double-sided tape. Make front parts of the wings from white leather. Add details to the costume with acrylic paints. Cut leg armor from a black soft foam sheet. Paint shoes black. Add details with gold acrylic paint. Wash the doll's hair with conditioner. Brush it. Tie a high ponytail. Trim the strands near the face. Style them with hair wax. Fasten them with hairspray. Put on a foam rubber sheet halo created with gold acrylic paint. The girls can barely pull the 2 winged creatures apart. Now that's a battle of flying heroes. There's no mistaking Maleficent's iconic horns. Cut off doll's hair. Cover the head in cling wrap and wrap it in light clay. Use wire to make Maleficent's horns. Wrap them in light clay. Cut off the excess. Paint the clay black. Wrap strips of black faux leather around the horns. Cover the entire clay part with faux leather. Remove the wrap. Add details to the face. define eyebrows, and iconic cheekbones. Change the makeup and the eye color. Make bright lips. Add highlights with white acrylic paint. Wrap the doll in a piece of black faux leather. Fasten it with a sewing pin and cut out a corset. Hot glue Velcro. Gather a piece of purple fabric and sew it to an elastic ribbon. Sew thick black fabric on top. Put the two fabrics together and draw a long cape pattern. Fasten the edges with a strip of faux leather and sew a stand-up collar to it. Attach a satin ribbon. Paint doll shoes black. Put the skirt and the shoes onto a doll. Tie the cape. Mercy and Maleficent just want to fight. They are fighting over the runway because they are both late to a meeting. It turns out that Rick Sanchez plotted all of this in order to gather the dolls for a big Comic-Con. All the doll cosplays did a great job. Did you like our Barbie cosplay? Then write in the comments which one you like the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new cosplay on Troom Troom.